My business almost collapsed this week because of a WhatsApp ban. Today, I'm sharing a very personal story, my WhatsApp business story. Over the past 3 years, I've grown my business on WhatsApp from zero to something amazing. Over 20,000 to 30,000 status viewers on a weekly basis and countless active groups. But as exciting as it sounds, the journey hasn't been without challenges. And yes, I faced bans twice this week alone. And the question is, what went wrong? What causes bans on WhatsApp and how can we avoid these bans? 3 years ago, I started using WhatsApp Business to run my small business. It was a game changer for me. I could organize my clients, respond faster, and use features like quick replies and labels. Over time, WhatsApp became a lifeline for my business. But with growth comes challenges. As many groups increased and messages poured in, my old OnePlus 60, yes, a phone I truly love, started to struggle. Overheating, app crashes, delays in sending messages. I saw the signs. Managing thousands of messages on a daily basis was overwhelming, but I didn't know that it could lead to something worse until it did. It started earlier this week from nowhere, where I got a dread message. Your account has been banned. At first, I thought that it was a mistake. Maybe I'd sent too many messages at a go, or WhatsApp flagged my activity. But then, a day after getting reinstated, it happened again. My WhatsApp account was banned for the second time. Now, let me tell you this. Getting banned on WhatsApp is frustrating. It disrupts everything, your business, your clients, and your reputation. But it made me realize I need to understand what caused the ban. And that's what I want to share with you today. The tricks behind WhatsApp bans, how to avoid them, and what happens if it keeps on happening, why WhatsApp accounts get banned. Before I head any further, I request you to hit the like button so that this video helps some other people out there. WhatsApp bans accounts after detecting the violations of its terms and service. Here are the most common reasons for the ban. Spamming or sending bulk messages. If you send many messages to unknown contacts, WhatsApp flags your account as spammy. Apps like GB WhatsApp or WhatsApp Plus may seem cool, but again they violate WhatsApp terms of service. Joining or creating too many groups in a short period of time can make your account be suspicious. If too many people block or report your number, WhatsApp sees it as a red flag. Sharing harmful, illegal, or inappropriate content is an instant ban trigger. Here is how bans work on WhatsApp. Temporary bans. These usually last for a few hours to days. Multiple temporary bans. If you keep violating the rules, you'll face temporary bans repeatedly. Permanent ban. After several violations, WhatsApp permanently bans your number. At this point, even contacting support won't help. You will just have to get a new number. From my research, WhatsApp has strict algorithms that detect unusual activity. In this case, this year, it is keeping on improving. For example, in my case, responding to hundreds of messages and managing multiple groups may have looked like automation or spam to WhatsApp. How to avoid getting banned on WhatsApp. So how can you protect your account? Here are some of the tips. Avoid sending bulk messages. Instead, use the WhatsApp broadcast list feature for one-way messages to multiple contacts. Don't use the third-party apps. Stick to the official WhatsApp app or the WhatsApp business app. Limit group activity. Don't create or join multiple groups at once. Respect WhatsApp's content policy. Share legal, appropriate, and ethical content. Build trust with your contacts. Ensure that contacts have your number saved. This reduces the risk of being flagged as a spam. Respond gradually. Don't respond to hundreds of messages at once. Test yourself to avoid triggering WhatsApp spam filter. After the second ban, I learned the hard way that even with good intentions, your account can be flagged. WhatsApp is serious about keeping its platform secure and spam-free, using tools like WhatsApp catalog feature instead of sending endless messages. Organizing my communication schedule to reduce message reload. Educating my clients about group etiquette to reduce unnecessary reports or blogs. If you're banned, this is what you can do. Contact WhatsApp support. Open WhatsApp in case you're banned. Review my account. Then it will pop up where you can explain your issue, or you just click on the review now button, explain your case. Then apologize and commit to compliance. If you made a genuine mistake, let them know that you will follow the rules moving forward. Temporary bans usually lift after a specific time. Reevaluate your practices. Use the time to identify what went wrong and make the changes. And that's my WhatsApp business story. The highs, the lows, and the lessons learned. If you faced a ban or you want to ensure that it never happens to you, I hope this video helped you. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever been banned on WhatsApp, and what did you do about it? Please like and share this video to help others that are passing through the similar issue over and over again. And subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.